Yo, what's up? This your girl Bird. I'm gonna do a snippet to Did It on them. I'm rocking out for the Monroe. Alright? Let's go. Nutted on them. Man, I just nutted on them. Nutted on them. Put your number twos in the air if you put it on them. Nutted on them. Man, I just nutted on them. Nutted on them. Put your number twos in the air if you put it on them. Yo, oh, that nigga is my slave. And I'ma go and get a rope for him. A couple whips, little pretty chains on him. Since he think he's the shit, I'ma run a straight train on him. Yeah, he want me take it off. But why not just come on your tongue and let them lick it off? Them hoes. That's what I'm saying. Y'all taste me? Nutted on them. Man, I just nutted on them. Nutted on them. Put your number twos in the air if you put it on them. Nutted on them. Man, I just nutted on them. Nutted on them. Put your number twos in the air if you put it on them. Like I said, Monroe. Ho.